Are you looking to increase your storage limits for inventory at Amazon? My name is Kristen Lash, and I am a senior brand manager at My Amazon Guy, and I'm going to show you a newer feature on Seller Central that's called the Storage Limit Manager. So to find that, you can go into your Inventory tab and click on Inventory Planning, and then you're going to go to Performance. Here we're going to be checking we're going to be going down to the restock limits and storage volume area. I'm going to show you one other way to get there because this is not the only location to find that. You can simply go on your Seller Central homepage, go to where your IPI score is, and click on that IPI score. And that will also take you to your inventory performance page where you can click on storage volume. And then you will go to your storage limit manager. And from here, it explains a little bit about the program. It's pretty much that you will be requesting more storage and you'll put in a reservation for that request and along with what you're willing to pay for that extra storage space. So once you submit your request, then Amazon's going to evaluate the request and they will grant it if storage space is available. And if there is a lower fee that is in the works at that time, then they will apply that lower fee with their lower fee guarantee. And then once you are granted that space, you can send your inventory in. And during that period that you have that extra storage space, and while you are selling those products, every dollar that you earn from that increased storage volume with that increased storage limit space will earn you 15 cents in credit for every dollar earned to offset your reservation fees. So at the end of that storage limit period, once that time period has ended, you will be you will be charged a one-time fee that will be the difference, if there is any, between between the total reservation fee and the performance credits that you earn. So those performance credits will be applied, and then you'll just have to pay the difference between that if there is any. Sometimes you can get 100% of that fee covered by your performance credits. So to get there, you would just look through all of these steps here, and you can click Get Started on your storage limit manager page, and you'll see if you do have the availability to submit a request. If you're already at max capacity and you have utilized a bunch of storage space, then it may not be available to you. Like for this account, it is currently not available. You could ticket with seller support to see if that option can become available and just give, reasons why and give the amount of storage space you're looking to increase to, et cetera, and see if they'll grant you that request. But this is another way to do it if that option is available to you. So you can also choose the different size storage that you're looking for: standard size storage, oversized apparel or footwear storage, et cetera. And then there's different, storage limit increase periods. So this would be the upcoming one in July. Currently, that's not available on this account, but it may be available on yours. It's worth a check. And if you, are maxed out at storage capacity, but they're telling you to restock products, this could be a great feature for you to use. Hope you learned something new today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. And thank you for watching.